Hi guys, this morning this beautiful baby turned on my door. This beautiful Chubb M3 6-pin. It's like the Medicos, you have to rotate the pins as well as lifting them. See the different slice cuts. Works beautiful. I'll be picking it upside down and in the vise. Nice and tight. Make sure it works still. There's nothing worse than getting the cam caught. Give them a mess about. That'll be top of the keyway. I'll be using this pick. It's good for, I don't know what it's called, just touching the pin like that. That's bound. I know that's not a set. Pin 5 is loose, so now I think that's possibly set. Let's let go of the tension. Wiggle pin 6, put the tension on. Now it's loose. 5 still loose. 4's binding. That's loose. 2's binding. All I do is tip my pick left or right, tickle the pin, put tension on, and if it's loose, good. Pin 6 is fine, 4's fine. 3's fine, 2's binding. Six is fine, 5's fine, 4's fine, 3's fine, 2 still feels bound, and 1 does as well. 1's fine, 2's still bound. Let's just try the pin at the side. It's stiff now, so don't feel as good though. Pin 2. Try the pin again. That's a better click. Right, now let's try and pick this. Click out 6. Click out 4. Little click out 3. click out of one. Two. Deeper hook for pin 4. Counter rotation. Little click out of 4. Let's make sure this pin's depressed, yeah. Depressed. I'll click out of 6. Let's click out of 2. Like 4's fallen again. Try that again. I think I might have offset that, just loosen up the tension. Try and drop the pins and not the rotation. Good. Try again. Click out of 1. 2, sorry. Click on 3. 6. 2. Sorry, pin 1. Check this. Still pressed in. Pin 4. It's not. Try pin 1. Pin 1's fine. 2's fine. I'll click out of 3. And 2. 4's fine. 5's fine. 6. I'll click out of 6. I'll click out of 5. The picking. Try pin 4. That pin 4 feels fine. Pin feels fine. Just try the pin at the side again. Yeah, it was that. Silly bugger. There you go, got an open. Love to see what I've got inside of this. Which, nearly knocked the camera over. I know which side I've picked. Right. Get my thumb on the side that I've picked. Right, I've just got to get everything now. You know what my guttings are like. Horrendous. So I don't know how this is going to go. Right. Allen keys. I'm going to have to unscrew it. Tight. Lock it up again. There's this side that I picked. Right. I'll get the right Allen key for that. Try that one. Always too big. Try that one. Perfect. Spring. Hope to getting all this out properly. There you go. Put them pins up there. I do apologise for the length of this. Didn't think I'd be able to pick it today. Oop. Scared of them. Definitely doing one at a time, and it makes it a lot easier. So I don't normally do double Euros, because I normally snap them in half before I do it. Oh, it should be fun. Nice chiseled pins. Two more to go, and then I've got to try and get the core out. Show you the sidebar. I think it's got a sidebar. I've not seen people's guttings. I presume it's got a sidebar, but it's got the chisel pins and sidebar notch. Right, tweezers before I get any. I get stupid. There's my dog. Always likes to pop his head in. Right, let's try and get this core out so I can show you. Sidebar. Right, let me just flip this around a bit more. Oh, it won't go anymore. Is it locked? Right, knock that one out. go. Didn't stab myself. Which one is it? It's this side. Oh, thank God I took the right one out. Let me just put the key in. Maybe I have to pull it out better. Will it come out? There's nothing to actually grip. Pull it out. Ooh. Come on. Right, it's coming. There it is. Where's the sidebar? Is it one sidebar? It is one sidebar. Ooh, what was that? Oh, that was the push button side bit. That's a little bit springy. Don't want to lose that at all. There is a show you the sidebar before I drop it. Oh, there's one spring. There's two springs. Thank God. Sidebar springs are a nightmare for me. I've just dropped it. Great. There you go. That's a sidebar. There's the sidebar spring. Oh, one sidebar spring I've saved. The other one is somewhere on the floor. It's got to be great. Right, let's look what we've got here. We've got some nice spools. The right way. One standard. Here's the. Yeah, that's good, mate. It looks like I've only got. Let me just put this down and pick one up properly. It looks to me like there's only one true gate on these. Making it a bit easier to pick. If they did have force gates on, it would make it a lot easier. Harder, sorry. Let's look. No, it has got a force gate. Oh. Didn't feel the force gates. Yeah, that's got a force gate as well. Right, that's one sidebar spring. Look at these. Sweaty hands. Beautiful, beautiful work. Right then. Thanks very much for watching. I'm just going to go and find my spring. Take care. Goodbye.